Here we are again, day 175 with the Blazer drama. I need to get it registered this week because I got a letter from the DMV saying you better register it. So I did have to get it registered. But anyways, I'm going to do some experiments right now because I got some ear pods, and I want to see if I could do some good audio with them. So here we go. Sorry about this. It's loud. Maybe I gotta reach through and unlock it. Alright, well, this is pretty much just an experiment on my earpods volume and all that business. Look at it shut. It shuts really good without that dang rubber in there. Huh. Imagine that. Let's see here. Unlocked it. So look at this. Well, this rubber, you see this rubber is dangling up here. So I'm going to take it out. I'm probably totally wrong about doing this right now. But it's coming to the day that I need to get this sucker on the road. This is probably not the right way to get the strip molding out. I know, I'm probably totally wrong about doing this, but oh shoot, what is that? Metal? There's metal in that molding. Oh shoot, weather strip. Oh yeah. Look at that exhaust. Woo, sneaky. I don't know what that means. I'm gonna have to probably get some help on that one. Anybody out there in the video land know why that other molding came out really easy? Well, anyways, like I said, this is, man, look at that smoke. Fudge. Woo. It smells really bad too. It smells super bad. The inside of this friggin' cab getting filled up with smoke too? Shoot. Takes a lot of strength to freaking unlatch that beast. spray the heck out of this with cleaner.